If your Bedsure heated blanket is acting up with controller glitches, timer failures, or power issues, don't panic. Most problems can be fixed with simple troubleshooting. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the blanket is plugged directly into a working wall outlet and that the controller is firmly connected to the blanket's port. Inspect the power cord and connector for visible damage like fraying, bent pins, or loose fittings. Also look at the controller display for error codes such as F1, F2, or F3, which usually signal connection or internal sensor problems. If everything looks fine but the blanket still isn't working, perform a full reset. Turn the blanket off, unplug it from the outlet, and disconnect the controller from the blanket. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow the internal electronics to completely discharge. Then reconnect the controller securely, plug it back into the wall outlet, and power it on to test. This reset often clears temporary electronic faults. To prevent future issues, always lay the blanket flat, avoid folding or bunching it, and never place heavy objects on top. Do not wrap the controller in the blanket or expose it to extra heat. Use only the original controller and avoid extension cords. Regularly inspect cords for wear and replace the blanket if you notice damage. Also, check your model number against any safety recalls to ensure continued safe use.